Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cheryl's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share, guys, 3 DIY glam decor projects. I've put together 3 simple ideas for you to recreate. I hope you enjoy. I started with this artist canvas in a 10 by 20 size. I was creating a gallery wall, guys, and had a certain gap that I wanted to fill, and I knew this would be the perfect shape and size for what I had in mind. After taking it outside and spray painting it black, I took this Chanel logo in an A4 size and I cut it out. I then took some craft glue and I glued it to the centre of the canvas. Using the Chanel logo as a guide, I then took these white foam flowers that I picked up from eBay. I removed them from the stems and I hot glued them over the logo. A handy tip, guys, when gluing your flowers. Here I just take a bead of glue in a row and then I add the flowers very quickly before the glue dries. The Chanel logo here was quite large, guys, so it requires 2 rows of these mini flowers. All up, I used 1 pack for 2 separate DIY projects, guys, and they usually come in a pack of 120. I'll leave a link, guys, to the eBay store down below where you can purchase these flowers. They're completely inexpensive, guys, and they're great for DIYs. This was a completely simple DIY project that was so easy to create, guys. Here I'm showing you a different way of styling it, but in the next clip I'll show you how it filled a space on my gallery wall. When I created this gallery wall, guys, in my home office, I knew I had that little space above the Chanel canvas. With my thinking cap on, I created another Chanel DIY project and filled the space that I needed. Guys, as you know, I absolutely love TK Maxx, and I was recently in the store and absolutely fell in love with these adorable little glam gift bags. As soon as I seen them, guys, I knew I had a DIY in mind. I bought them home and they were perfect for what I had in store. All I wanted to do, guys, was create little flower bags, and I took these adorable little roses that I picked up from my local dollar store, and adding some floral foam, I stood it upright and just added these gorgeous flowers together. Guys, this was such a simple DIY project, but I knew these beautiful flowers would look perfect in these little glamorous bags. Guys, these adorable little bags cost me $3.50 each, and I love that they had the perfect colours and shades to go perfectly with the flowers. Fuchsia pink, guys, is such a glam colour, and I absolutely love combining it. Here, for example, the beautiful glitter silver colour goes perfectly with the fuchsia roses. I absolutely love how these little bags look so cute on my mantle. And yes, guys, that's a big white pumpkin in the middle. Shell's bought out her pumpkins rather early, but over here in Australia, we are in the middle of winter. So I thought, why not bring out this gorgeous pumpkin. Guys, when you're decorating your home, I always encourage you to think outside the box. Here's a prime example of taking something like a gift bag and creating your own little home decor on a budget. Another great idea with these little gift bags would be creating them into a picture frame. How adorable would they look, guys, if you had your own little collection in a frame of your choice? And my final DIY, guys, starts with these 4 adorable little jars that I picked up from my local dollar store. After removing the lids, I noticed these jars had a pattern on both sides, but I persevered and turned it on its side and then added these letters. Then taking these letters that I picked up from Kmart, I added the letters and spelt out the word Dior. Once all the letters were stuck on, I then took the jars outside and taking my favourite Rust-Oleum paint in the colour Gloss Candy Pink, I spray painted the jars. After giving them 2 coats, I then let them dry and brought them inside, and then I removed each of the letters. Once the letters were all removed, I then took my hot glue gun once again and took those adorable little white flowers and added them to the letters. I continued to do that to each of the jars until all letters were complete. Then took these gorgeous Kmart Australia cream roses and I added 4 to each of the jars. And here are my adorable little Dior jars. Guys, I'm so happy with how these came. Even when I brought the jars home, guys, and was a little worried that this might not work, I persevered and absolutely love that I did because I was so happy that my little Dior DIY come to life. This is what I do, guys. Your girl Cheryl sits alone at night and thinks up new and interesting ways that I could create things and give them that little glam touch that I know that you would love. I absolutely love to create the easiest of DIY projects for you guys, and I love how they add a little statement to your home. So many people say to me, Shell, I'm just not creative, but I love to bring to you a simple DIY project that anyone could have a go at this weekend. Again, guys, this could be created to your own personal taste. You could change the colour of the jars as well as the flowers and change the word if you like. You could take away Dior and personalise it to your own style. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to have a go at your very own glam DIY projects. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favourite DIY and which one you might have a go at this weekend. Don't forget, guys, I'd love you to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'm working on so many wonderful DIY projects for you, and I'm also aiming for that 20,000 subscribers so I can announce that wonderful giveaway. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Michelle and you are here at Chelle's Glam Home. I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. I upload, guys, every second day, and I'm currently working on more glam DIY projects to share with you. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.